Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to import videos into Bluestacks for CapCut. First, open Bluestacks file. Once it loads, open CapCut and tap New Video. You will see the videos and photos section, but at first it will be empty. So now let's add some videos. Go back and open the Media Manager from System Apps. Then click on Import from Windows and choose any photos or videos you want to add. Once they are imported, close Media Manager. After that, go back to CapCut and click on New Video. Now, you will see your imported videos and photos they are ready to use. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.